Hi guys, a blessed good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing pumpkin rice recipe. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Here I have my pumpkin, some shredded and some diced. I'll be using some long grain basmati rice, coconut milk. I have some seasoned salt, black pepper, chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, some onions, garlic, thyme, scallions, parsley, and 1 habanero pepper. Here to my preheated pot, I will start adding my aromatics. Give it a good stir and allow to go for about 2 minutes or so. Next, I will add my pumpkin, give it a stir, and I want this to soften up just a little bit because the basmati rice does not take a long time to cook. So I want to make sure the pumpkin is nice and soft before I add the rice and the liquids. So this is the point where you want to add your liquids. I will add some water and I will leave the correct measurements I used listed in my description box. I will then follow up with some coconut milk and I will add some seasoning to add flavor and taste to the rice. Give everything a good stir and allow it to come up to a boil or a simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. And lastly, you want to come in with your washed rice. Make sure you wash the rice thoroughly before adding it in. And you want to give it a good stir. We will also add our thyme and the hot pepper for flavor. You want to cover this and allow it to steam on low heat. Turn it down to the lowest heat and let it steam for about 25 to 30 minutes. After about 25 minutes, our pumpkin rice is all done. I will remove the pepper and just fluff it up a little bit so you guys can see what it looks like. And that's basically it, guys. When I tell you this is one of the most delicious vegetarian rice dishes you could ever try, trust me, it's so mouth-watering. I will now plate it up and show you guys the finished product. So I did pair this with some fried drumsticks and a fresh garden salad. It was absolutely divine and I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to share it, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support and as always, enjoy.